This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Mercury versus Dallas. The Phoenix Mercury recently concluded their season with a strong 27-17 record, positioning them well for the playoffs. In contrast, the Dallas Wings finished with a 10-34 record. Phoenix showcases a top 3 defensive rating, consistently limiting opponent scoring. Meanwhile, Dallas's offense, spearheaded by their talented guard Paige Bueckers, averages 81.4 points per game. Both teams feature exciting talent. The Phoenix Mercury are powered by their formidable Big Three of Kali Copper, Alyssa Thomas, and Sadu Sabally. Alyssa Thomas, in particular, is a versatile forward renowned for her impressive triple-doubles and exceptional playmaking abilities. For the Dallas Wings, rookie sensation Paige Bueckers leads the charge, averaging 19.2 points and 5.4 assists per game. Miesha Hines-Allen also provides a strong presence, contributing 6 rebounds per game. Looking at recent matchups, the Phoenix Mercury have shown dominance, winning 5 of their last 6 head-to-head contests against the Dallas Wings. Phoenix's defense has been a key factor, conceding only 77.8 points per game in recent outings. Conversely, Dallas has faced defensive challenges, allowing 88.3 points per game. Interestingly, their most recent season series ended in a 2-2 split, showcasing competitive battles. Moving forward, the Phoenix Mercury are well-positioned for a deep playoff run, relying on their robust defense and seasoned veteran experience. The Dallas Wings, on the other hand, are focused on building around their phenomenal rookie, Paige Bueckers, who delivered a historic first season. With a 40% chance at the #1 draft pick next season, Dallas aims to significantly improve their offensive efficiency and overall roster depth for future contention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.